Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best ovens of 2026, best countertop ovens for baking and toasting. Whether you're baking cookies, toasting bread, reheating leftovers, roasting vegetables, or preparing quick family meals, a quality countertop oven can make cooking faster, easier, and more energy efficient than using a full-size oven. Today's best countertop ovens combine powerful heating elements, convection technology, multiple cooking functions, adjustable temperature controls, spacious interiors, compact designs, and easy-to-clean construction to deliver consistent cooking performance for kitchens of every size. Whether you're outfitting a small apartment, dorm room, RV, or simply looking for extra cooking capacity, there's a countertop oven on this list for you. In this guide, we'll explore the best countertop ovens available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's start cooking. Starting off with the Dash Mini Toaster Oven. This compact appliance is perfect for individuals, students, and anyone with limited kitchen space. Despite its small footprint, it provides excellent performance for everyday tasks like toasting bread, baking small snacks, reheating pizza, and warming pastries. Its simple control knobs make operation straightforward, allowing users to quickly adjust temperature and cooking time without complicated settings. The compact interior is ideal for personal meals while consuming less energy than a traditional oven. Lightweight construction makes it easy to move and store when not in use, making it a great choice for dorm rooms, apartments, offices, or RVs. Users appreciate its affordability, ease of use, and surprisingly effective cooking performance for everyday meals and snacks. Next up are the BLACK+DECKER mini ovens. Reliable countertop appliances that deliver dependable cooking performance with user-friendly operation. These ovens feature adjustable temperature controls and multiple cooking modes that make baking, broiling, toasting, and reheating simple and convenient. The spacious interior accommodates a variety of foods, from slices of toast and bagels to frozen pizzas and small casseroles. Even heating technology helps ensure consistent cooking results, while the removable crumb tray simplifies cleanup after every meal. Durable construction and intuitive controls make these ovens suitable for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Users consistently praise their dependable performance, affordable pricing, and versatility for everyday kitchen tasks. Moving on, the Elite Gourmet Mini Ovens offer an excellent combination of compact size, versatile cooking functions, and dependable performance. Designed to handle baking, broiling, toasting, and warming, these countertop ovens provide flexibility for preparing a wide variety of meals and snacks. Adjustable temperature settings allow users to cook different foods with precision, while the integrated timer helps prevent overcooking. The compact footprint fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops without sacrificing useful cooking capacity. Easy-to-clean interiors and removable accessories make maintenance simple, while the durable construction ensures reliable long-term operation. Users appreciate the oven's consistent heating, convenient controls, and excellent value for everyday cooking. The HY Sapientia Mini Ovens take countertop cooking to a higher level by combining modern design with advanced cooking performance. Built with efficient heating technology, these ovens provide fast preheating and even heat distribution for baking, roasting, toasting, and reheating a wide range of foods. Multiple cooking functions allow users to prepare everything from baked desserts and roasted vegetables to crispy toast and frozen meals with confidence. The spacious interior accommodates larger dishes than many compact ovens while maintaining a space-saving countertop footprint. Intuitive controls, durable construction, and easy-to-clean surfaces make everyday operation both simple and enjoyable. Owners frequently praise the oven's fast cooking performance, attractive design, and dependable versatility. Finally, the Chef IQ Mini Oven earns the top spot as our favorite countertop oven for 2026 thanks to its exceptional combination of smart technology, versatile cooking performance, premium construction, and user-friendly design. Designed for modern kitchens, this compact oven offers multiple cooking modes including baking, roasting, broiling, toasting, reheating, and air frying, allowing users to prepare a wide variety of meals using a single appliance. Advanced heating technology delivers fast preheating and consistent heat distribution, producing evenly cooked food with excellent texture and flavor. Its spacious interior accommodates everything from toast and pizzas to casseroles, baked goods, and family-sized meals despite maintaining a relatively compact footprint. The intuitive digital controls simplify operation, while smart cooking features help automate temperature and cooking time for consistent results. All of these countertop ovens offer excellent advantages depending on your cooking needs and kitchen space. The Dash Mini Toaster Oven is perfect for quick snacks and personal meals in compact spaces. The BLACK+DECKER mini ovens provide dependable everyday cooking with simple controls. The Elite Gourmet mini ovens offer excellent versatility and value for home kitchens. The HY Sapientia mini ovens combine advanced performance with modern design, while the Chef IQ mini oven stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its smart cooking features, multiple cooking functions, fast heating, spacious interior, and premium overall performance. When choosing a countertop oven, it's important to consider cooking capacity, heating performance, convection technology, available cooking modes, temperature range, timer functions, ease of cleaning, countertop size, energy efficiency, and overall durability. Selecting the right oven can make everyday cooking faster, more convenient, and more enjoyable while saving both time and energy. That wraps up our top 5 best ovens of 2026, best countertop ovens for baking and toasting. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, cooking in a small apartment, or looking for a versatile appliance that handles everything from toast to full meals, there's an outstanding countertop oven on this list for every home. Let us know in the comments which model you'd choose, or if you're already using one of these fantastic countertop ovens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy faster, easier, and more delicious cooking every day.